Hey guys, back to the channel. So a few big updates are coming from NIO's end. This is one picture which is getting viral on the internet. In this picture, NIO's sub-brand Onvo L60 is using a battery swap station while NIO ES6 is charging outside. From this vantage point, the ES6 looks to be bigger and even taller than the Onvo L60 as the PSS is few inches off the ground. Still, this L60 looks shorter than ES6. This car looks like a coupe style car to me. The good thing here is that it's using battery swap station and it can also be charged. Now it is confirmed that this is our sub-brand car Onvo L60. Apart from that, another good news which is coming from NIO's end is this. Recently they published some data on their charging and PSS business. In April, around 23.7% NIO users uses the home charger, 3.7 uses the public charger, 17.3 used third-party chargers, and around 55% of users used this battery swap service. This is really a good sign for the business because NIO business model totally depend on this battery swap station, and now it seems like that it is going to be a huge hit. From here, everything is looking positive to me for the NIO stock because company is on track to unveil its first mass market car in May. Company is currently working on the launch of the new brand that would be less premium, still obviously 100% electric and more suited for the European market needs. Nicolas Vincelot, general manager for the France, said during a France-China business forum in Paris. Seems like this car is specially designed for the European market. On Monday, the new website for Onvo brand went live in China with a message to stay tuned for the details on the new model L60. Vincelot said more details on the brand until codename Alps were expected by the end of this month. Another good news which is coming for the NIO investors is that recently Goldman Sachs, UBS, BNP turned more positive on Chinese stocks. Goldman analyst says A shares valuation may rise by 40%, while UBS raised its rating on MSCI China Index and Hong Kong stock to overweight. DBS Bank says valuation gap between Hong Kong stock and US stock has reached the wildest on record. All these things are looking really positive to me. And in the end, if we will talk about its stock price, there also it is doing good. It is about to cross this 2-month-old resistance. Once we will cross it, then our next target would be $10. Recently, it has crossed above its 20-day and 50-day moving average. And look at this volume. I don't think shorts would be able to break it. So get ready for it. Some good momentum is coming. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you next update.